Hello, welcome to this another tutorial video. In this video we want to configure a management IP address and a Telnet password. So what is Telnet? Telnet is a protocol on the internet or on the local area network. It actually provides us a bidirectional interactive text-oriented communication facility or tool using virtual terminal. So we say virtual because the terminal doesn't really exist physically. It is through the software that we are made to believe that the terminal actually exists. So that is Telnet. So for this demonstration, we will use Telnet to configure this switch from a computer. We will connect to this switch. Okay, since we didn't have the actual Cisco switch, we have to use a simulator or emulator, which is the Cisco packet tracer. So this is a simulator for the network and our Cisco devices. Okay, let's start by selecting a switch here. Click switch, and then I want to use this one, and then I want to put an end device, which is a computer, and then connect them. Okay, click that. First we have to assign an IP address for this computer. For this I want to use 10.1.1.2, and then I will use the default subnet mask, which is 255.0.0.0, and then close this one. Next is configure the switch. Please pay attention to this. By configuring the switch, we use CLI, which is the command line interface. So all the commands will be executed in this window. In this what is this? A user prompt. So to start, enter. So we are now in the user exec mode. So first I want to see the interfaces available in this switch that we are configuring. To do that, type show IP interface and then brief. This is the complete command. Enter. So you can see the interfaces available. We have a fast Ethernet, and we also have here, down below at the very bottom, we can see the virtual LAN 1. So this is what we are going to assign a password. So we have to access this interface. To access the interface, we have to go to the privilege exec mode by typing enable, and then go to the global exec mode because we need the global what's this? Global, shall we say, privilege to assign an IP address for the VLAN 1. So let's type configure and then terminal. Hit enter, and from here we can change our IP address. To do that, we type interface VLAN 1, and then you can see the available commands by typing question mark, and from there you see there's an IP command. That means we can execute IP here. we can change the IP from here. IP address. So I want to assign 10.1.1, but we already have 10.2, so I want to use that one. And then that's default subnet mask 255.0.0.0, and then enter. And now we have already assigned an IP address. Now we want to assign a password for the telnet. So we step backward by typing exit. One exit is one step backward. So from here we can type, we want to change the password, so we have to type line vdy and then query the available commands by the question mark. Okay, we add 0 to 15. 0 to 15 are the total what's this, connection lines. So if one user connects to the switch, he will be assigned line 0. If another connection, he will be assigned line 2, and so on. So 0 to 15 and there, and then query the available commands by typing question mark. So from here you will see password. That means we can change password here. Okay, by changing password, if we want to change the password, just type password space followed by the actual password. For this, maybe I will use dog as our password, and then enter. So we are finished configuring the password and the IP address. So I will exit back. Exit one step backward, exit again. From here I can use enter to exit. Okay, let's see again the interfaces if we have successfully configured the IP address for VLAN 1. So type show IP interfaces brief. Show IP interfaces. What is wrong with this? Okay, we have to exit one more. Exit backward one more. So we type here, from here, show IP interface brief. So there you go. Let's see at the bottom if we have already assigned correctly the IP address. So here you can see we have already replaced this entry with the IP address. So that means it's a success. Now finally, let's test. Oh, we forgot one. We forgot to turn on the interface. So enable again. Configure terminal, and then type interface VLAN 1, and then type no shutdown. So if you want to shut down the port, you type shutdown. If you want to open the port, you say no shutdown. So that is very easy. No shutdown, enter. So it says here internal VLAN 1 change state to up. Okay, this should be successful. Let's exit exit again. What's this? Exit. One more. Enter. Now we will test the Telnet connection. From here, I will Telnet this switch. First, I will go to command prompt, and I will first ping the IP management, the management IP of the switch, which is 10.1.1.1. So I should, if the connection is successful, I should receive a reply. Enter. Pinging. Let's see. Request timeout. Oh, there. So we have received 3 successful replies. So the first one is a failed. But it's not actual failed because this is because of the ARP. Because the first time the client requests, the switch doesn't know does requesting end, so it has to resend another request, and now it knows the requesting end, so the rest of the requests are successful. Okay, now finally we will Telnet. I will just replace the pin so that I don't capture it. Okay, from here I will Telnet the switch. I will type Telnet and the management IP of the switch, 10.1.1.1. So I should receive a password request. So there you go. Remember, our password was dog. So even if I type here, you will not see the password because it's a security feature. So just type it and then enter. So there you go, we have just accessed the switch. So everything was successful. Thank you for watching. See you in our next videos. Bye bye.